Maybe if I just start on the EBIT numbers. So if you look at, we had good revenue growth over the course of quarter over quarter, year over year, if you say. But also, if you look at the EBIT numbers, when we exclude JVs and associates, that actually increased from 5.9 billion SEK to 6.3 billion SEK Q4 versus Q4 last year. And that's encouraging for us because a lot of that EBIT growth came from operational growth, so price and mix, pricing itself, cost reductions and so on. And that's a good underlying. With JVs and associates, of course, that is when we're funding some of our future endeavours, if you will. And so that's why you see that reduction year over year when you include the JV and associates. But if you look at the underlying, then I see that as a positive trend. But there is headwinds that are likely to remain within the turbulence of global economics at this particular point in time. And I think it behooves us to constantly be looking to become more efficient over time so that we can take out those costs and therefore be better positioned as we move further and further towards our full ambitions.
Jim, there's a price war that's broken out here, and we see it with the flip-flopping of Tesla on what it's charging its customers here. And we see a very aggressive move by some of the leading Chinese automakers to try to export at lower prices. What are the consequences of that going to be for Volvo?
Well, you've got to look at underlying demand. So we look at underlying demand for our products across the globe. It remains strong. We don't see any adverse order cancellations. We don't see a slowdown of order intake, especially for our new fully electric vehicles. And that obviously bodes well for us because that's our strategic intent. And so we will remain with price discipline. We don't see any reasons. Now, we're in the premium sector of the market, so maybe that's slightly different than in the mass market. But at this point in time, we do not see any cancellations or any reduction in demand for our products.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.